Introductions and icebreakers. Hey, how's your day going so far? Pretty good. I just arrived here this morning, so I'm still getting used to everything. How about you? Not bad. So, where are you from? I'm from London. Have you ever been there? No, but I'd love to visit. What do you like most about your city? Probably the history and the museums. What about here? What's the best thing about this city? I'd say the food. There are so many amazing places to eat. Do you like trying new restaurants? Absolutely. Do you have any recommendations? If you like Italian food, there's a great pasta place nearby. What's your favorite type of cuisine? I love Japanese food. Have you ever tried sushi? Yeah, but I'm still not sure if I like it. Do you prefer sweet or savory food? I have a huge sweet tooth. What about you? Getting to know each other. So, what do you do for a living? I work in marketing. How about you? I'm a graphic designer. Have you always wanted to work in marketing? Not really. I originally studied journalism. What made you choose design? I've always loved art and creativity. If you could switch careers, what would you do? Probably something related to travel. I love exploring new places. Do you like traveling? Yes. What's the best trip you've ever taken? Definitely my trip to Japan last year. Have you ever been there? No, but it's on my bucket list. What's one place you still want to visit? Australia. How about you? I'd love to go to Iceland. Do you prefer beaches or mountains? Mountains, for sure. Do you like hiking? I do. What's the most adventurous thing you've ever done? I went skydiving once. Would you ever try it? I don't know, maybe. Have you ever done anything that scared you but was worth it? Yes, traveling solo for the first time. Have you ever traveled alone? No, but I think it would be an interesting experience. Do you prefer traveling alone or with friends? It depends on the trip. Have you ever had a travel disaster? Oh yeah. I missed a flight once and had to spend the night at the airport. What about you? Interests and entertainment. So, what kind of music do you like? I listen to a bit of everything. Do you have a favorite band or artist? I love Coldplay. Have you ever been to one of their concerts? No, but I'd love to. What's the best concert you've ever been to? Ed Sheeran's live show was incredible. Do you prefer live music or listening at home? Definitely live music. Do you play any instruments? A little bit of guitar. What about you? I wish. If you could instantly learn one skill, what would it be? Probably speaking another language fluently. How many languages do you speak? Just English and a little Spanish. If you could live anywhere in the world, where would it be? Maybe Italy. What's one thing you love about your culture? Probably the traditions and the food. Do you like trying dishes from different cultures? Yes. What's the weirdest food you've ever tried? Fried insects in Thailand. Would you ever try something like that? Maybe, if I had to. What's a dish you could eat every day and never get tired of? Pizza. What's your go-to comfort food? Chocolate cake. Do you enjoy cooking, or do you prefer eating out? I like cooking, but I'm not great at it. Do you cook often? Making plans and socializing. So, what are your plans for the rest of your trip? I don't have a set plan yet. What do you recommend I do here? You should definitely check out the local markets. Would you be interested in going together? That sounds fun. What time should we meet? How about 3 p.m.? Does that work for you? Perfect. Should we meet at the main square? Yes. By the way, do you prefer morning or evening activities? I'm more of a night owl. Are you an early bird? Not at all. I love sleeping in. Do you usually make plans in advance or go with the flow? I like a mix of both. Do you enjoy spontaneous trips? Definitely. What's the most spontaneous thing you've ever done? Probably booking a last-minute flight. Have you ever done something on impulse? Yes. I once decided to go on a road trip with no destination. Would you ever do that? Absolutely. Okay, last question. If you could have dinner with any famous person, who would it be? Maybe Elon Musk, just to hear about his crazy ideas. What about you? I'd love to have dinner with Emma Watson. She seems really interesting. Well, this has been such a great conversation. I agree. I'm really glad we met. See you tomorrow at 3 p.m.